Hey guys, and welcome to my new YouTube video. Elon Musk just released Grok 3. So what exactly is Grok 3? Well, it is yet another LLM AI chatbot, just like Google's Gemini, OpenAI's ChatGPT, Microsoft's Copilot, and DeepSeek from China. Well, you might ask, why do we have so many LLM chatbots? Why can't we just have one single big chatbot? The reason is each of these chatbots have their own advantages. Google's Gemini has access to all the Google apps. That is how Gemini is integrated into Google Maps, YouTube, Gmail, Google Docs, and entire Google Workspace. OpenAI has their GPT models, and they also have partnered with Microsoft for Copilot, which has access to all the Microsoft 365 apps. And OpenAI has also partnered with Apple for their Apple Intelligence. And well, DeepSeek is just way cheaper than OpenAI's GPT models. So what exactly is the advantage of Grok 3? Well, Grok 3, in addition to doing internet search, deep search, reasonable thinking, it has access to all the Twitter data. Yes, Elon Musk's Grok 3 has access to all the tweets since the inception of Twitter, or X as we call it. And that is a pretty big advantage. Not only can it do the entire internet search, but it can also show you tweets from way past. And that is a big advantage. Let's check out all the features with Grok 3. First up, you can access Grok through its own app, which is the XI Grok app, or you can even access it via Twitter. It is integrated right into your Twitter account with this Grok XI symbol. You just press on it and there you are into Grok 3 beta. Now here you'll see you have the attachment option, you have a deep search option, thinking option, and then you have the microphone. So yes, you can either type the prompt, you can also do voice input. For example, let's take what is deep search. If you press on deep search, it's going to use the deep search model. Now, if you ask any question to this deep search model, it's going to thoroughly analyze that question. For example, what is life? Now, it will completely comprehensively try to understand the question, the scope of the question, and the focus of the answer as well. Then it will go through all of its resources, all the web pages, all the articles, all the websites which are probably trying to answer your question and thoroughly analyze those articles. It will also check the accuracy and the validation of those answers and try to build a definition of the answer you're looking for. Obviously, this deep search model will take longer to respond. You can also check how it's trying to analyze, how it's trying to research this question based on its different sources. It will take longer than a normal model, but that's the logic behind deep search. And once it's done, it will give you a comprehensive summary about the answer which it thinks is the correct one. That's the logic, that's the advantage of using deep search model. It is useful for answers which are not that simple and you want a comprehensive, more detailed answer to any question of yours. Another thing is you can obviously ask normal general knowledge questions. Those can be anything related to politics or the current events happening. For example, if you ask who won the Champions Trophy, now it is still ongoing. It will try to pick up that information from the internet. And like I said, because it has added advantage of tweet access, it's also going to show you the different tweets that must have been made prior to that event or in relation to the question what you have asked, so that you can brush up on all the tweets that have been posted by, let's say, some company or any celebrity. You can also attach PDF files, you can attach images as well. What it does is recognition of image. If you attach any image, it will try to see what's inside the image and give you information about the image. This is also possible with other models. You can attach any PDF file, any Excel file, and try to analyze data as well. In addition to typing the prompt, you can obviously use the microphone for inputting the prompt. Now you have to give access of the microphone, and then if you say something, it will try to transcribe that and give that as the input. I used the thinking model to ask this question with the microphone about how many are R's are there in strawberry. Now, this is a tricky question. Because LLM models or large language models are built on tokens, it's sometimes confusing when such questions appear. That's the reason I picked this question. When I was using the voice prompt, it mistook the letter R as R. But still, if you see, because it was using the thinking model, it tried to analyze what can be the meaning of R. If you see into its thinking, you can see that it also at one point considered the letter R. So it was almost trying to figure out what I was trying to ask. But then when I typed the prompt with the letter R, it was able to answer it correctly that there are 3-letter R's in the word strawberry. That's thinking model for you. Also, as I said, you can use the tweets and you can use GrokAI in collaboration with that tweets. If you have certain tweets in your feed or if you have some tweets bookmarked, you can go to the top right corner where you have the Grok icon. You press on it and it will try to bring up some references of other tweets which have been done in relation to your tweet. Also, it will try to explain what is happening in the tweet. If it's some political information about certain country or it can be some technical developments, it will bring up that information from the net as well as give you references of some of the tweets that must have been posted which are similar to the one which you're looking for. That's the advantage of having the Twitter access as well. So that's Grok 3 for you. You have image recognition, you have deep research model, you have logical thinking, and you also have Twitter access. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.